Unlock the secrets to turning your clutter into cash. Discover how to sell on Facebook Marketplace like a pro and what you profit store. Whether you are clearing out or your garage or launching a side hustle. So hey guys and welcome in this video where I will show you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. So the first thing that you have to do is open your browser and dive into facebook.com. This is the homepage as you can see, and you have just right now to click over here and you have to scroll down and click over Marketplace. But after that, first of all, if you join Facebook or you upload application, you have just to sign up by your email address and your password. So selling on Facebook Marketplace is a game changer for anyone looking to declutter or start a side hustle. In this video, we will delve into the ultimate tips for creating a catching listings, setting competitive prices, and maximizing your reach. From choosing the right keywords to mastering negotiation tactics, we will cover everything you need to know to successfully stick around until the end for exclusive insights that could skyrocket your sales. So you have just to click over here, as I said, then you have to click over Marketplace and you'll find this page. Then we have here both all first, notifications, inbox, IN, selling, and also we have location here, and we have niches here. You can just select the niche you want. For example, I will click over vehicles. Then we have your vehicles, but I will just select the minimum price and the max price. Then also we have, for example, here suggested price and date listed, distance, year, some information to get what you want. Then right now you have just to click over create new listing. Then you have to choose listing type. We have here item for sale, create a single listing for one or more items to sell. Then you have vehicle for sale, sell a car, van, or other type of vehicle. Then you have your property for sale or rent, list a house or flat for sale or rent. So I will click over the first one. Then you will find here this page. You have here your listing preview. As you create your listing, you can preview how it will appear to others on Marketplace. So the first thing that you have to do is add a photo here. Then you select the one you want. You can also add 10 for at on max. Then if we scroll down here, we have required to be as descriptive as possible, but this is the product that I choose. As you can see, you have to write a title, for example, basketball shoes. Then you have to select the price, for example $15. Then we have categories here. We have arts and crafts, vehicle parts and accessories, baby products, bags and luggage. You have books, films, music, mobile phone and accessories, clothing, shoes and accessories also. So I will click over this one, but I will select also. Here we have men's activewear, men's blazer, sports jackets, men's chain, men's slipwear. But I will just come back. Well, category I will select here. As you can see, I find men's shoes. Then we have here men's boots, men's sandals, slippers, athletics. So I will select this one. Then we have condition here. If it is new or used, new or used and good. You have used fair. So I'll click for this one. So you have to be honest on the condition because you will just say what is it. Then we have here more details. Attract more interest by including more the tools. We have here post listing after it's been published. Add a step to post your listing after it's published to help you reach more potential buyers by turning it into an ad. Then you have your hide from friends. This listing is still public but will be hidden from your friends on Facebook and Messenger in most cases. We have the last things here, which is marketplace items are public and can be seen by anyone on or off Facebook. Items such as animals, drugs, weapons, counterfeits, and other items that infringe intellectual property aren't allowed on marketplace. See our commerce policies. Then you click over next and you publish your product with this information. But before, also we have here men's shoe size and also the brand, activity and also basketball, color, then we have description here, new shoes, basketball, Kyrie Irving. Then you have your availability, list as single item. If you are selling one item, show only one, and if you are selling more than one item, show in stock. So I will click over the first one. Then we have product tags, SKU also, and that's it. Also we have here match app preferences. Buyers will be able to see your preferences on your listing, public match app, to pick up, to drop off. Then just to activate this one, if you want, post listing after it's been published, hide from friends, then you click over next and you start selling your product. So Selling on Facebook Marketplace offers numerous benefits, including access to a vast audience of local buyers, making it easier to sell items quickly. The platform allows for seamless communication, enabling direct interactions with potential customers. Additionally, it's user-friendly and free to use, eliminating the need for listing fees found on other marketplaces. With tools to create upload listings and options for sharing within local groups, sellers can maximize visibility and increase their chances of successful sales, all while fostering a sense of community. So this is how it works. You can just get started as soon as possible, then you will earn money with them. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.